is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2018 Honda Civic EX. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine and has front-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look on the side back here at that nice platinum Civic logo, Honda logo, we do have a backup camera, a nice little tiny roof spoiler. We do have some chrome accents along the doors, which really makes the doors pop. Mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Honda grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the trunk area now, we do have plenty of cargo space. You can collapse your last row from here. Plenty of space. You'd even get more space with your spare tire as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering. Plenty of door space in the back with some cloth accents. Got plenty of legroom with carpeted interior. We can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. We have our collision, traction, lane keep, your hood opener, as well as your trunk just right there. With this vehicle, you also get a camera on the right side, which allows you to see on your right side of the vehicle, which makes parking pretty easy. Looking at our odometer now, we have 141,700 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control settings. You have your phone, voice, toggle for your screen, volume, all that jazz. And looking for your screen here, we do have our maintenance, phone, music, all that jazz, fuel economy. To our right, we have a gear select, brake hold, parking brake, eco mode. You have cup holders that you can move back and forth with a cup holder down there, and a USB, and you can move this as well. More storage here. You got storage below as well with some outlets, heated front seats with climate controls right there, engine start, storage in the glove compartment. We got storage not up here. I don't know what I'm talking about, but we do have our features for our moonroof, which does provide excellent lighting for the vehicle with your hazards right there. And you can adjust the brightness from here as well, which is pretty nice. We're just going to go to our audio real quick. Turn it on. It shows up there. You have your... your volume's right there. Duh. Got your climate controls. We're going to go home real quick. Audio, phone settings, info, Honda link, all that jazz. Instrument panel and blank screens if need be. Got your menu right here. Back. Audio source and Bluetooth connection. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7672B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.